In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy text in DocHub. We'll walk through the process from opening the website all the way to copying the exact text you need from a PDF. This is a simple task, but if you're new to DocHub or working with PDFs for the first time, a few details can make the process much smoother. First, open your web browser and search for DocHub. You can use any common browser, and searching for the platform is usually the fastest way to get there if you don't already have it bookmarked. Once the search results appear, click the correct DocHub link to open the official website. It's always a good idea to make sure you're selecting the legitimate site before signing in. When the site loads, sign in to your account. If you're already logged in, you may be taken directly to your dashboard. If not, complete the sign-in process and wait for the main workspace to open. This is where your saved and recently used documents are typically displayed. From the dashboard, open the PDF you want to work with. Give the file a moment to load fully, especially if it contains several pages or large images. Once the document is open in the editor, look to the top toolbar and click the Select tool. This is usually represented by the standard mouse cursor arrow. Choosing the correct tool matters here because it allows you to interact with the document text instead of drawing, annotating, or filling fields. Next, move your cursor to the text you want to copy. Click and drag your mouse over that section to highlight it. Try to drag carefully so you select only the words you need. If the selection doesn't come out right the first time, don't worry. Just click away and try again until the correct text is highlighted. Once the text is highlighted, right-click on it and choose Copy. If you prefer keyboard shortcuts, you can also press Ctrl and C on Windows or Command and C on a Mac. Either method will copy the selected text to your clipboard so you can paste it wherever you need. That's all it takes to copy text in DocHub. If the text won't highlight, make sure you're using the Select tool and that the PDF contains selectable text rather than just an image of text. With that in mind, you should be able to copy content quickly and accurately whenever you need it.